Hello everyone. Today we're making a light and comforting soybean sprout soup, perfect for any season. If you watched our bibimbap video last week, we mentioned that we'd save the soybean sprout water for this week's soup recipe. Let's get started. To add some color, we've prepared red chili peppers. I want the broth to stay nice and clear, so I'm taking out the chili seeds. But if you prefer, green chili peppers work just as well too. I'm not mincing the garlic today. I'm just smashing it to bring out the aroma without making the broth cloudy. Add the dried kelp and some crushed garlic into an empty broth pouch. This will keep the broth clean and easy to strain. Quickly drain the soybean sprouts and rinse them in cold water to keep that perfect crunch. The residual heat can overcook them otherwise. Let the dashima pack simmer in boiling water for about 10 minutes over medium heat. This keeps the broth clear and adds a deep savory flavor. Finally, add sliced big green onions, the kind used in Korean cooking, and chili peppers, and simmer for 2 more minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of Korean soup soy sauce to season. Taste the soup and, if needed, adjust with a bit of salt to suit your preference. Optionally, you can add a pinch of white pepper or black pepper for a subtle kick. To serve, place some of the blanched soybean sprouts in a bowl and pour the hot broth over them. This refreshing and clear soybean sprout soup is amazing for hangovers. Or, if your husband is crawling around the house after a night out, make this for him. It's also super delicious. Serve chilled on a hot summer day.